100, but I'll just keep going. Come, let's go. So basically, I'm just gonna keep going doing the filming, and yeah, and then we'll go from there, I guess. Yeah. Um, oh, there's a beer can right there. They just throw it in there, I guess. So, yeah. So currently just walking around. Same place, because too many cars on the others. Come on, let's go this way. Come, let's walk around this way. So yeah, this walking as always. Windy. I don't know. It just feels so cold. I hate the cold. Well, having cold is the best sometimes, but sometimes you don't want, alright? You just want to stay warm. Well, that's the point of having a dog, right? You had to, you know, it's a squirrel. Holy cow. Okay, go do your business here. Come on, go do your business. I just need him to to poo and then pee everything and then head home, and after I can shower after. So yeah, hopefully it will be done. Tired. Let's check facts. Yeah. Wow. Really interesting. Really interesting. Very interesting. So yeah. Oh, it's pulling me. Oh, it's pulling me. Oh, it's pulling me. No. I just want to touch those squirrels, that's why. So yeah. Oh, there's another squirrel. He wants to chase it. I said no. Ooh, the wind. Ooh, the sea, it's breezy. Windy. I think I'm gonna cut this a little bit short, the vlog. Cause yeah, I just want him to do it after that leave. So yeah, done. Okay, let's go back. Alright. Hey guys, so I'll see you guys later on. Don't forget to like, subscribe, have fun, stay safe, enjoy. And as always, live life to the fullest, guys. Live life to the fullest. And I'll show you what my design looks like. My MA production. So yeah, guys, see you soon. Peace out.